Welcome to ChefNet Kitchen. Yes, today I'll be making vegetable soup. The ingredients are on the screen. Please note that there are many other vegetable recipes in Nigeria. This is just my recipe. Yes, also note that we prioritize hygiene here. All the vegetables are well washed and my hands are also clean. Please, if you have any question about this recipe or any suggestion, you can use the comment section. Yes, and if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Please sit back and enjoy watching. I
say welcome Jesus, come on. Welcome Lord. Welcome, Daddy, welcome. Jehovah, welcome. Otaku, welcome. Righteous God, take your place. Welcome Jesus, have your way in my business, in my family, in your home. Daddy, welcome in your home. Jehovah, welcome. When I hold on, I'm gonna jump up, but I'm gonna jump I say welcome Jesus, come on. Welcome Lord. Welcome, Daddy, welcome. Jehovah, welcome. Otaku, welcome. Righteous God, take your place. Welcome Jesus, have your way in my business, in my family, in your home. Daddy, welcome in your home. Jehovah, welcome. When I hold on, I'm gonna jump up, but I'm gonna jump up. I'm gonna jump up, I'm gonna jump up, Lion on the lamb, I see you here. You have come to take your place. Imanike ekwensuadawo. Esinike ekwensuadawo. Ike fibroid adawo. Iman agune chemba bato. I say welcome Jesus.